ENST students are required to meet with an advisor every semester. You will be assigned an ENST academic advisor depending on the concentration that you choose. You are assigned a date and a time in Testudo when you are allowed to start registering for the following semester. However, you must meet with your advisor for them to approve your courses and to lift your registration block. And you must come to your advising meeting prepared. Preparation for your advising meeting means that you should have with you your unofficial transcript, an updated curriculum sheet, an updated general education sheet, your 4-year graduation plan, and your completed student questionnaire. You can find these documents to prepare for your advising meeting on our website, enst.umd.edu. Then go to the undergraduate tab, and then from there to the current students tab. Once there, you will see information about advising for each semester, including the advising plan and assigned advisors, as well as links to make an appointment with the advisor that you've been assigned to. Further down, you will find the documents that you need to prepare for your advising meeting, such as your curriculum sheet, your general education sheet, planning grid, ENST questionnaire, and the unofficial transcript that is printed out from Testudo. The curriculum sheet will depend on the concentration that you pick. Each concentration has its own curriculum sheet, and they are found in these tabs. Let's take a look at the example one more time for the Ecotech Design concentration. You will get the PDF curriculum. The top classes are the ENST core classes. Then you have the concentration core, concentration depth ecology classes, concentration depth design classes, and lastly the technical elective classes. Now let's take a look at the general education document. The general education requirements are from the university. So for that you need some fundamental studies such as academic writing and math, some distributive studies, some I-Series courses, and a couple diversity courses. Every time that you take a class that completes one of these requirements, you will update this sheet and bring it to your advising meeting. Next is the planning grid. You should have that filled out for your advising meeting as well. That document looks like this, and you will use this document to plan out which classes you'll be taking each semester until you graduate, making sure that you are fulfilling both the UMD and the ENST requirements by doing so. The fourth and fifth document that you need for the advising meeting is the student questionnaire and the unofficial transcript. Both are linked on the current students page on our website. However, here is also a view on how to get your unofficial transcript from going to testudo.umd.edu. This is a website where you'll find many things, among which is your unofficial transcript. Other helpful information you can find under the current students tab are academic plans, either 2-year plans or 4-year plans for the students that are in ENST. These plans provide good benchmarks to follow in terms of which classes you should be taking in each semester. These are a guide. Your plans can change. However, they're a good guide to follow. There are a few policy exceptions that you may qualify for. For example, if you would like to take more than 17 credits in one semester, or you have a time conflict with a few of your classes, or you want to take more than one class in the winter, or more than 2 classes in the summertime, you may request a policy exception by going to enst.umd.edu under the Undergrads and Frequently Asked Questions tab, or on the link provided on this page. You may also want to take a few classes off campus. In this case, you have to find a course that is direct equivalent and currently accepted at UMD and submit a permission to enroll off campus form, which you can find under the Undergrads Frequently Asked Questions tab on our website. Remember that for each of these policy exceptions or for taking classes off campus, you have to speak with your advisor first and then continue the process of applying. The last thing you need to know about advising is TurpEngage. TurpEngage is our new platform where we add our advising notes. So you as a student can go to turpengage.umd.edu, log on as a student with your directory ID and password, and you will be able to access all of your advising notes from your advisors across Maryland.